Pipelines are like the veins of our modern world. They carry oil, gas, and other important things. We use these things every single day. Pipelines need to be safe and secure. Leaks and accidents can be very dangerous. They can also harm the environment. We must protect these pipelines. It is important for our safety. It is important for our planet.
AI is like having a million eyes constantly watching the pipelines. Special sensors are placed on the pipelines. These sensors collect crucial data. They measure things like temperature, pressure, and vibrations in real time. This data is then sent to powerful computers. The computers use advanced AI to analyze the data. AI can see patterns and anomalies that humans might miss.
AI can predict problems before they happen. This revolutionary technology is transforming industries by providing insights that were previously unimaginable. By analyzing vast amounts of data in real time, AI can identify patterns and anomalies that might go unnoticed by human eyes. This is called predictive maintenance. It's a proactive approach that allows companies to address issues before they escalate into major problems. Predictive maintenance leverages machine learning algorithms to forecast potential failures and schedule timely interventions. For example, AI might notice a small change in pressure. Such a change could be an early indicator of a developing issue. By catching these signs early, companies can prevent costly downtime and ensure the continuous operation of their systems. This could mean there is a tiny crack forming. Even the smallest crack can lead to significant problems if left unchecked. AI systems are designed to detect these minute changes and alert the necessary personnel. AI will alert the pipeline operators. These alerts are crucial for maintaining the integrity of the infrastructure. Operators can then take immediate action to investigate and address the issue. Then they can fix the crack before it becomes a big problem. Early intervention is key to preventing more extensive damage and ensuring the safety of the pipeline. Predictive maintenance helps prevent accidents. By addressing issues before they escalate, companies can avoid hazardous situations and protect both their workers and the environment. It also saves time and money. Efficient maintenance practices reduce the need for emergency repairs and extend the lifespan of the equipment. In the long run, predictive maintenance is a smart investment for any industry relying on complex systems.
Section 4 AI saves the day. There are many examples of AI preventing pipeline disasters. From detecting leaks to predicting failures, AI is revolutionizing the way we manage and maintain pipeline infrastructure. In one case, AI detected a small leak in an underwater pipeline. This leak was so minuscule that it would have gone unnoticed by human inspectors for weeks, if not months. The leak